The Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, Standards for Accessible Design, specifically Section 307.3, addresses electrical equipment and wiring. This section has implications for the placement of electrical panels in accessible spaces, such as motel rooms. The relevant standard is Section 307.3, 1 paragraph 6 subparagraph A, which states that electrical components not covered by other requirements in this section, including panels, shall be located at a height between 15 and 48 inches, which is 381 to 1219 millimeters above the floor. This regulation ensures that individuals, including those using wheelchairs, can access and operate electrical panels safely and conveniently. The National Fire Protection Association, NFPA 70, National Electrical Code, NEC, also plays a significant role in electrical installations. Article 240.24 paragraph L of the NEC incorporates the ADA height requirements for electrical panels. This means that electrical panels installed in ADA-compliant locations must adhere to the height restrictions outlined in the ADA standards. Article 110.26 paragraph C subparagraph 1 of the NEC further emphasizes that electrical panels shall be accessible to qualified personnel. This ensures that electricians and other professionals can safely perform maintenance and repairs on the electrical system. In addition to the height requirements, there are other important considerations for the placement of electrical panels. Firstly, the height of the electrical panel should allow for convenient access by both standing and wheelchair-bound individuals. This means that the panel should be mounted at a height that is easily reachable by people of different heights and abilities. Secondly, the panel should also be located in a clear and unobstructed area. This ensures that there is enough space around the panel for people to maneuver and access it safely. When installing an electrical panel in an ADA-compliant motel room, it is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or accessibility specialist. These professionals can provide guidance on specific code requirements and design considerations to ensure compliance. Understanding these regulations and considerations is crucial for ensuring that electrical installations in ADA-compliant motel rooms are safe, accessible, and meet the needs of all individuals. Let's delve deeper into the specifics of the ADA standards and the NEC to fully grasp the requirements for electrical panel height in accessible motel rooms. The ADA standards for accessible design serve as the primary guideline for creating accessible spaces. Section 307.3, 1 paragraph 6 subparagraph A, as previously mentioned, explicitly states the height range for electrical components, including panels. This 15 to 48 inch range is critical for ensuring that individuals with disabilities can reach and operate the panel without difficulty. The NEC, specifically Article 240.24 paragraph A, reinforces the ADA height requirements. This section of the NEC is essential because it mandates that electrical installations comply with accessibility standards, thus bridging the gap between general electrical safety and accessibility for people with disabilities. Furthermore, Article 110.26 paragraph C subparagraph 1 of the NEC is equally important. It stipulates that electrical panels must be accessible to qualified personnel. This requirement is not only for the safety of electricians and technicians, but also ensures that maintenance and repairs can be performed efficiently without creating accessibility barriers. When planning an electrical panel installation in an ADA-compliant motel room, several key factors must be taken into account. Firstly, the location of the panel should be carefully considered. It should be in a readily accessible area, free from obstructions, and with adequate space for maneuvering. Secondly, the mounting height must be precisely within the 15 to 48 inch range. This requires accurate measurements and careful installation. Thirdly, the panel should be easily identifiable with clear labeling. This helps individuals quickly locate the panel and understand its purpose. To ensure full compliance and optimal accessibility, it is highly recommended to work with professionals who have expertise in both electrical installations and ADA requirements. A qualified electrician can handle the technical aspects of the installation, ensuring that it meets all electrical codes and safety standards. An accessibility specialist can provide guidance on the ADA requirements, ensuring that the installation is fully compliant and meets the needs of individuals with disabilities. By combining the expertise of both professionals, you can create an electrical panel installation that is not only safe and functional but also fully accessible and compliant with all applicable regulations. Consider the potential challenges that might arise during the installation process. For instance, the existing electrical infrastructure might not be ideally located for an accessible panel installation. In such cases, modifications or relocations might be necessary, which can add to the cost and complexity of the project. Additionally, the specific design of the motel room might present challenges. Limited space or unusual layouts could require creative solutions to ensure that the panel is both accessible and aesthetically integrated into the room. To mitigate these challenges, thorough planning and assessment are essential. A detailed site survey should be conducted to identify any potential obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them. Collaboration between the electrician, accessibility specialist, and motel management is crucial for ensuring a successful installation. The importance of regular inspections and maintenance cannot be overstated. Electrical panels should be inspected periodically to ensure that they are in good working order and that there are no accessibility issues. Any maintenance or repairs should be performed promptly to prevent safety hazards and ensure continued accessibility. Furthermore, it is advisable to keep records of all inspections and maintenance activities. These records can serve as evidence of compliance with ADA regulations and can be helpful in the event of an audit or inspection. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can ensure that electrical panel installations in ADA-compliant motel rooms are safe, accessible, and fully compliant with all applicable regulations. Remember, accessibility is not just a legal requirement, but also a moral imperative. By creating accessible spaces, you are demonstrating a commitment to inclusivity and ensuring that all individuals have equal access to the built environment. Now, let's dive even deeper into the technical aspects of electrical panel installation and the specific requirements outlined in the NEC. The NEC provides detailed guidance on various aspects of electrical installations, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and bonding. These requirements are designed to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. When installing an electrical panel, it is crucial to follow all applicable NEC requirements. This includes selecting the appropriate wiring size, installing overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, and properly grounding and bonding the panel. The NEC also specifies requirements for the working space around electrical equipment. Article 110.26 of the NEC outlines the minimum dimensions for the working space in front of electrical equipment, including panels. These dimensions are designed to provide adequate space for electricians and technicians to safely perform maintenance and repairs. In addition to the working space requirements, the NEC also addresses the accessibility of electrical equipment. As previously mentioned, Article 240.24 paragraph incorporates the ADA height requirements for electrical panels. This ensures that electrical panels are not only safe and functional but also accessible to individuals with disabilities. When selecting an electrical panel for an ADA-compliant motel room, it is important to consider the size and capacity of the panel. The panel should be large enough to accommodate all of the circuits required for the room, with some spare capacity for future expansion. It is also important to select a panel that is rated for the voltage and current requirements of the electrical system. The panel should be installed in a location that is protected from moisture and physical damage. This helps to ensure the longevity and reliability of the electrical system. The wiring connections to the panel should be made using approved methods and materials. This helps to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of the installation. All wiring should be properly labeled to identify the circuits. This makes it easier to troubleshoot electrical problems and perform maintenance. After the electrical panel has been installed, it should be thoroughly tested to ensure that it is working properly. This includes verifying that all of the circuits are functioning correctly and that the panel is properly grounded and bonded. The testing should be performed by a qualified electrician using appropriate testing equipment. The results of the testing should be documented and kept on file. This provides a record of the electrical system's performance and can be helpful in the event of future maintenance or repairs. It is also important to educate the motel staff on the location and operation of the electrical panel. This ensures that they are able to respond appropriately in the event of an electrical emergency. The staff should be trained on how to safely shut off the power to the room in case of a fire or other hazard. They should also be instructed on how to report electrical problems to the maintenance department. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can ensure that the electrical panel installation in an ADA-compliant motel room is safe, reliable, and fully compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. Remember, electrical safety is paramount, and it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work. Let's shift our focus to the practical aspects of ensuring accessibility beyond just the height of the electrical panel. While the height requirement is critical, other elements contribute to making the electrical panel truly accessible for individuals with disabilities. Firstly, the clear space around the electrical panel is crucial. The ADA requires a certain amount of unobstructed space in front of the panel to allow wheelchair users to approach, maneuver, and reach the panel comfortably. This space should be free of any obstacles, such as furniture, equipment, or storage items. Secondly, the force required to operate the panel's control should be minimal. The ADA specifies that controls and operating mechanisms should be operable with one hand and should not require tight grasping, pinching, or twisting of the wrist. This means that the circuit breakers or switches on the panel should be easy to flip or switch without excessive force. Thirdly, the labeling of the electrical panel is essential for accessibility. The labels should be clear, easy to read, and located in a consistent and logical manner. The use of tactile labels or braille can further enhance accessibility for individuals with visual impairments. Fourthly, the lighting around the electrical panel should be adequate. Proper lighting ensures that individuals can see the panel and its controls clearly, especially in low light conditions. The lighting should be positioned to minimize glare and shadows. Fifthly, the location of the electrical panel within the motel room should be carefully considered. The panel should be located in an area that is easily accessible from all parts of the room, including the bed, seating area, and bathroom. Avoid placing the panel in areas that are difficult to reach or navigate. Sixthly, consider the placement of other electrical components in the room. Electrical outlets, switches, and thermostats should also be located within accessible reach ranges, as specified by the ADA. This ensures that individuals with disabilities can control the electrical systems in the room without assistance. Seventhly, regular maintenance and inspections are crucial for maintaining accessibility. The electrical panel and its surrounding area should be regularly inspected to ensure that there are no obstructions, damaged components, or other accessibility issues. Any necessary repairs or adjustments should be made promptly. Eighthly, provide training to motel staff on accessibility awareness. Staff should be trained on how to assist guests with disabilities in accessing and operating the electrical panel, as well as other electrical components in the room. This training can help to create a more inclusive and welcoming environment for all guests. By addressing these practical aspects of accessibility, you can ensure that the electrical panel in an ADA-compliant motel room is not only code-compliant, but also truly accessible and usable for individuals with disabilities. Remember, accessibility is about creating an environment that is welcoming and inclusive for everyone.